Tēnā koutou katoa, kei konei ahau, kei roto I tōku waka, e tatari ana ki taku tama. So I thought I'd do a quick vid on dialectal variations within Te Reo Māori, with specific focus on the WH and the NG. So if we take the word whakarongo, the way I just pronounced it is typical of a lot of iwi around the country, pronouncing the WH as f. However, you might also hear whakarongo pronounced as hakarongo or wakarongo. So in the north they sometimes use or drop the W sound, so it becomes hakarongo, and in Taranaki, Whanganui, they tend to drop the H sound, so wakarongo, and they do that with other words as well. So the f sound is preferred in Tainui. So if you take the word pōwhiri, other iwi will pronounce pōwhiri as pōhiri. However, it's important to remember that the words have the same meaning, mean the same thing. It's just that they are pronounced in a different way. So the second thing would be the NG, ng, typically pronounced as ng. So if we take the word rangatira, you can hear the ng sound in there, although in Tūhoe or Eastern Bay of Plenty they might pronounce it as ranatira, not really pronouncing the ng as much and preferring a n sound. Kaitahu or Te Waipounamu, they sometimes change the ng sound to k, so they might say rakatira as opposed to rangatira, which is quite different if you're not used to that sound. But there again, the meaning of the word remains the same. So yeah, there's a couple of things about pronunciation, iwi. Remember that kiwaha and idioms and saying, slang and all that sort of thing, every iwi has their variations of that as well. You just got to learn those for what they are, but maybe that's a video for another day.